Can you show me how to cook? How to cook with WIC this week? How to cook with WIC this week?
Hi everybody, my name is Roxanne. I work for Norte WIC. I'm here with Mr. Champion. Hi! We are going to start the process with showing you the ingredients for a very child-friendly parfait, which is excellent for after-school snacks. Everything here is covered by WIC, except for the chia seeds. We have vanilla yogurt. You could also do plain yogurt. You can choose any type of fresh vegetable or fruit if you want to get fancy. WIC approved cereal and chia seeds.
Sounds fun and delicious.
Yogurt parfaits. This is all about layering. I recommend letting the little ones decide how they would like to layer it. Have fun with it, be imaginative, and enjoy.
Get it about to that line there. Emma, see the line with the fork?
Can you put that up there?
Put that money in. There we go.